Hi, welcome to Drive with Care. I want to go and do some photography. I've been given some hints and tips of locations that might have autumnal vibes about them. So I think I'm going to head to Kearsney Abbey. Lots of trees there. It is cloudy, unfortunately, so I don't know if I'll get the photography done, but I've got to get there, so let's drive there, right? Currently in Folkestone, not far from the Royal Victoria Hospital. So we're going to head up the Canterbury Road. I've got to get out of this car park space. It was rather tight and I had to manoeuvre to get in. So yeah, we'll head up the Canterbury Road, Sugarloaf Hill, and drop down and drive through Kearsney, what's it called, Alkham Valley. Done it many times, but as I've said on many occasions, any drive, even if you do it time and time again, will be different, right? But it puts another video out onto the channel, so I'm not going to complain. I can see autumn hitting. Look, all the leaves on the ground and the trees are changing colour. Car coming. No wave at all. Obviously an ignoramus. We share the roads with these people. And they're bumpy roads as well. A little courtesy goes a long way. Clear to my right. Let's join the traffic, because there's a four-way traffic controlled lights here. But of course I can transition from stop to start, can't I? I have a funny feeling that they're reconstructing this roundabout and this part of the entrance into Folkestone Central because they're redoing the bus stop, aren't they? And they're converting it into a park, even though we've got a lovely Radnor park here. But they're resurfacing and doing all sorts here. No need to indicate because it's all one-way controlled. Ramp. Taxi's turning right. Or not. Oh, look at that. That's a very tight angle. I get it that you don't block a junction, but I don't know, is it in your remit to block a drive? I don't think people are going to be using it, are they? All times of day. No one on the crossing. To edge out here. Yeah, I have a funny idea the photography might have to wait for another day. You can't do autumnal photography in the grey clouds, can you? Nothing will pop. But if nothing else, I get another drive video done. It's a funny thing because the channel's now at 1,500 subscribers. You're all great, thanks for doing that. But it's now reached what I think is a plateau. So unless I can think of some really excellent drives that will go viral, then I think it's just going to be staggering slowly and slowly as it grows. Could be all played out, you know. Maybe people want to see some extreme driving. Pedestrians there. I had a request recently to do Ashford to Margate. Now, it doesn't seem like a long drive, but for a channel that only does 15-minute up to 30-minute drives at the most, I've got a few long ones on there. But Ashford to Margate is just like in terms of driving it, would I want to drive it anyway? Because it's travelling in traffic like this, right? So I don't think it's going to happen. However, I have done Ashford to Canterbury on numerous occasions. I've done Canterbury to Margate on numerous occasions. So if you're hankering after Ashford to Margate, watch those two videos. I'll put links to them so that you can watch it in staggered viewings. Right, coming up to a roundabout, I want to go straight across, so I'll stay in the left lane and then indicate off the roundabouts. Car to my right. With the CB radio aerial. Hello there, good buddy. Come back. I don't know, it's band it used to be called, but I think the true aficionados will have a proper name for it, won't they? Isn't that right, Martin? Right, we're increasing our speed, get ourselves up to 50. Currently doing 40. And I think that's enough for these hairpin bends. It does, it feels like a roller coaster. Stagger Junction ahead. And we're coming out on the crest of the hill, so watch out for cars. Might be, you know, it's blind on those junctions, so if you're coming out, you take your chance. Go right here, I'll slip into the lane. Don't want the tail end of the car hanging out, so I'll drive into the lane straight. Quite a bit of oncoming traffic. The van is letting me out, or rather in. National speed limit. I do like to wear my sunnies even on a day like today because it's kind of a blanket glare of lightness, so the sunglasses help diminish that for me. Right, 10 minutes max to Kearsney Abbey. Should be quite a straight run. I don't think there aren't many junctions, a couple of drives here and there, so I will be conscious that there may be cars coming onto the road and I'll be aware of that, but for the most part, straight through. There's some nice hints of autumn. I think I just need to have that stark sunlight because then it will kind of illuminate the leaves on the trees. My favourite time of the year, autumn. The nights draw in, you can get all cosy in your house, stick something wonderful on the television to transport you away from the daily grind. Stagger Junction. Right, almost there, entering a 50 zone. Drop that speed a little. Something is buzzing. It's driving me mad. Is it my glasses on the seat? Yes, it was. I thought it was the glove box, then I thought it was the armrest. It's my glasses sitting on the seat. Not buzzing, rattling. See hints of blue sky up ahead, but I really don't think it's going to clear up. Right, watch out for the road signs on this road. Many of them, bends and roads narrowing. Junction on the left, into a 40 zone. Accompanied horses. There are many, many road signs on this road. Junction on the right, more accompanied horses. Or they could be the same horses. Oh dear, there are stables all along here. Garden centre on the right, they do a lovely lunch. Been there a few times. All freshly made, very nice. Right, entering into Alkham, and it's a 30-mile-an-hour zone. Oh, look at those red plants. That's pure hints of autumn, isn't it? Bends in the road. Got a playground up ahead and crossroads. Leaf blower guy. Slumming the road. Here's the crossroads. There's the playground. More accompanied horses. It's not pleasant down there. Another 40 zone. And some wonderful countryside. Crossroads ahead, reduce speed now. Now into a 50, avenue of trees. Slippery surface, or risk of skidding, one of the two. Bends in the road, accompanied horses. I'm currently doing about 42 miles an hour. It is a 50 zone, but... or is it? I can't remember. Yeah, I think it's 50 zone. Now we're entering a 40, but reduce it a bit. Into Temple Ewell, and it's a 30 mile an hour. The tree looks gloriously orange. Main car park. I don't know, you know. Am I going to get any photography done? The sky just doesn't look inviting enough to capture, you know, kind of rays of light and things like that. And so, I don't think I'll do some photography at all. But it was worth doing a drive, wasn't it? I'm doing it like this to end the video so that you can see ahead. You can see the colours are changing, but with no stark sunlight, it just looks all dead and flat. So I won't go and do photography, but I did do a drive, and that's fine, isn't it? Oh, someone's got their alarm on there. Folkestone to Alkham Valley. Now, where did we go? Kearsney Abbey. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now. Drive with care.